Hello friends, here I am Shah Singh and I'm going to tell you how to put camera on rock crawler. So let us begin now. You can see in my hands the rock crawler, the main unit in which you have to insert the camera or put the camera. And I'm going to tell you how this will work with home equipments easy. And here's the remote. And here's the tire of the fake tire of the rock crawler behind the rock crawler which is fitted. You can easily unscrew it and put it into your remote, which gives the remote a finishy look and a place for the fake tire to reside for the whole setup. Here you can see the rock crawler without the fake tire. Here's the tire. You can see it's easily openable. There's a hole in the remote which could hold the tire. Here's the selfie stick. So friends, here's the selfie stick, and it could easily be used as a mobile holder which will record the overtake scenes and take photos. And here's the camera or the phone which we would use to capture photos and videos for the setup. And here's a sponge which would give a rock crawler a spongy suspension, and here's a sketch. It will hold the rock crawler and give it a support. So this is how we will fix it. We will just insert it into the place of the false tire. You can see this, and here's everything you can see from a closer look. Here will be the mobile phone which will be placed in the holder and which will record movies and all recordings. And here's the net or the rope. You can use it, or you can even use other ropes and other stuffs for binding the mobile phone and the selfie stick to give it a support, so it would be steady enough to work. And this is a football net I am using now. And here you can see how we will put that. So friends, I'm telling you the easiest way you could do it, but there are other ways too. You can reintroduce themselves and find themselves by your own, but I'm trying to cover all of that. So I'm binding this tightly. As the mobile phone would fall, it could easily broke and scatter the video quality and other stuff. Friends, you can even watch my other videos. I have already made once before. You can even use IP webcam to live video record and see it onto your laptop screen or PC screen. And while driving, you can even see the footage and drive accordingly. Friends, here this is all set it up, and you could, even if the camera would not be steady, you can use the sketch pen to fix that. And here's everything done. At the end, I will show you how the footages of the camera I have recorded once earlier, which will give you an idea of how it would work after the after the camera would be set it up. You can rearrange the camera according to your need. This is the advantage of the selfie stick, which could not be possible with a tripod stand. But ensure that your setup is fixed properly so that you can it could be steady. And here's the next way you could do that. So friends, here's the second step you can do, and here's again the remote, and we will fix the fake tire into the rock crawler beneath that. As the second way would be directly with the camera, no need of the tripod or any type of selfie stick. So here's the sponge, we will insert it into the rock crawler so that under its suspension, so that it could low jerkize it, as it would suck the jerks and the suspension would not work, which would directly affect the operation of the mobile phone. And here's the net, we would use it again to fix the mobile phone to make it steady and at its place. And it would be better if you use ropes or nets, as which I am having it is not webbed properly, so the mobile phone would fall easily in some conditions. As this would not work in the off-road areas, it would only work in the plains. You could only use it into the plains and not in the off-road areas. But the selfie stick way would be better in the off-road areas. But if you fix it properly, it would also work in the off-road areas, as I did in previous video. And you can see the mobile phone falling easily. Still, I'm trying to handle it through the net. You can now see by the force of my hand it will be steady, but if I leave it, it would fall again. I am again trying to tie it up properly so that it could fix the falling problem and the jerks will be reduced indirectly. And now I think that it's fixed and it would be steady to the whole area and work across. So friends, we are ready with the rock crawler and the footage you would see at the end of the video. So friends, thanks for watching the Tech Bros, and please see the video at the end so that you would get the footage.